What's up, fam? In this video, we're going to be covering we're going to cover how to collect NFT collection stats from Nifty Gateway using their API. That's going to include their floor price, their number of owners, number of primary market sales, number of secondary market sales, and so on, so on, so on. And we're going to put all this data inside of a spreadsheet so you guys can view it. And if you guys want, you can take this tutorial, modify it for yourselves, and run comparisons between projects and compare all their different stats to see which project is doing the best and which one's doing the worst and whatnot. So I'm going to get started. It'll be super short because it's a very easy tutorial, but you're just going to need to make sure that you have the required packages installed. You can go to previous tutorials of mine, and especially in this series, to see what you will need. But again, I will go over it here. You're going to want to make sure that you have Python 3.8. That's what I'm using. You can use really any, I'd suggest using any Python version over 3.6 and above. But I'm using 3.8. And then once you have that installed, then you can install pandas and requests. Make sure you have these installed. I already have them installed, so I'm not going to run this command again, but here it is for your convenience again. So once you have those installed, you can import these modules. So you can run import requests, and then you're going to import pandas as PD. Now you're going to need the URL for this API endpoint. And this API endpoint is run https api.niftygateway.com/market/summary stats, and then contract address is equal to address, and the Nifty type is going to be 1. Okay, so this address, we're going to pull, let's see if I can get the repressed address right here. Grab that, and we're going to put this address right there. And then we're going to run response is equal to request.get URL. Whoops. And then we're going to say data is equal to response.json. And then we're going to print this data so you guys can see it. We're also going to create records is equal to data, and then we're going to say PD is, or df is equal to pd.dataframe from records, and then we're going to say records, and then we're going to say df.toXL Nifty Gateway API / collection stats.xls. And I'm going to put this inside of my data folder to keep it separate from my Python modules. And I'm going to print done, just like I do with every script I create. So, although it's totally unnecessary, but whatever. So that's done. Now I'm going to run this script again. And here we are. So here are the stats. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it. But basically, you can see the number of secondary market sales, number of primary sales. You can see the floor price. Where's the floor price in cents? Right here. You can see the unique owners, and you can see a bunch of other stats. So this is now inside of a spreadsheet. I'm going to pull it up and show it to you guys. Nifty Gateway API collection stats right here. Cool. So here is one row containing all of the collection stats for the repressed collection by FuckRender in Nifty Gateway. So if you guys like this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of this content, and I hope to see you guys soon. in the next tutorial. So see you guys. Good night.